Hi theorists, Neil here again, and welcome back to Option Theory. If you haven't joined our bomb squad, what are you waiting for? It's simple. Just click on that subscribe button and you will be notified, and hit that bell. You'll be notified when we release our videos. We do cherry bomb trades that come from Tasty Trades email blast. They come 5 days a week, and 4 days have trades in them. So we put those on in a simulated trading account. So if you're looking to learn how to paper trade options, this is the place to do it. And it's interactive and you can follow along in your own paper trade account. So that's just in case you're just joining us. For those veteran Bomb Squad members, thank you for joining us again. And we're going to hop right over in to our platform. Here we have our Thinkorswim paper trading simulated trading platform pulled open. And we can see we have all of our current positions listed here under the monitor tab. What we're going to do is follow today's Tasty Trade cherry bomb, and we're going to put on a trade in GLD. So GLD here, we can see gold is one of those weird ones where its volatility goes up when we see the price of the underlying go up, right? So that means right now volatility for this is pretty high, which makes your short premium strategies more attractive, right? And we can see here that I actually currently have an iron condor set up for this one in a different expiration here. And I just needed gold GLD to stay in between these two red lines, and it did not obey. It said, no thanks. So what we're looking to be doing today is put on a trade that says, look, we're at 7-year highs, so let's get a little bearish on this and say that it's going to come down from here. You know, I already have a gold position on. I might not normally do this, but this is why you want to do this kind of paper trading, simulated trading with options. Because you can really see, is this the kind of thing I can do before you put real money on the line? So let's go ahead and go over to the Analyze tab. Let's hit you can see the Iron Condor that we have going on. Let's click on Add Simulated Trade. We're not going to be in, this is where I currently have a position. We're going to be in the May 22nd with 35 days to expiration options. And we're going to be putting on the 165 short call. Sorry, using my mouse wheel again. I gotta get over that habit. The 165 call, we're gonna be short that one. And we're doing a vertical. So rather than just single clicking on the bid, what we're gonna do is right click on the bid, choose Analyze Sell Trade, come up to vertical. And that's gonna put together a vertical spread that may need a little tweaking because I think we're gonna be doing a $2 wide. So we're going to do 165 as the short, that's the -1, and the +1 where we're going to buy one to reinsure ourselves, it will be at 167. If your numbers are different than this and they say -10 or +10, you need to consider the size of your trade, right? Tasty Trade's approach or method or system, whatever you want to call it, says trade small and trade often. You know the size of your account, so I would encourage you to consider staying within the 1 to 5% of your account size as the Tasty Trade. Of course, my advice is I'm not a professional. I am learning along with you. So take that advice with a grain of salt. All right, so let's take a look at that risk profile. And you're going to see it's all sorts of wonky because we have our positions on as well. So I want to take off this Iron Condor so you can just see what this new position would look like, right? So naturally, because it's a short call vertical, it is a bearish position. We just did a short call vertical in yesterday's trade too. I can link to that up above too. So if you wanted to catch yesterday's trade, this was in the SPX, I believe. I'm gonna go up to this calendar and put on the May 22nd as the expiration date. I'm gonna come to this little icon here and choose Set Slices to break even at expiration. And we can see here now that we have a 70%, was, 71-ish. We have a 71-ish% chance of at least breaking even, right? And we would love for GLD to stay south of this line, right? Or west, depending on how you look at it, right? And so we can see our maximum possible profit here is $56. Our max loss is $144. And that's something we'll see when we right click down here and choose confirm and send. It's always good to take a moment to review this. It gives you an idea of what your max loss and your max profit is, right? And we know the probability of collecting or at least breaking even is pretty darn good here. So I'm going to hit send. That's going to put that over in my working orders. And that's it for our cherry bomb trade today. I hope that went well for you. And so I guess I would say in the comments, please leave below. Did you put this trade on today? Even if it's a simulated trade. Did you put this simulated trade on? Did you put it on for real? Something along those lines. So I look forward to seeing your answers in the comments. And I appreciate you being here, part of my bomb squad. I'll see you in another video. Hopefully we'll have one for you tomorrow. It'll be more of a how-to video. All right. Till then.